Okay, in this lesson, we're going to learn just simple string methods and kind of just getting acquainted with coding in Python. So I have my terminal open and I'm going to change it into a Python shell by typing in Python. And now what I'm going to do is give it the first simple command, which is defining the value s. So I'm saying s equals, in single quotes, hello. Now if I type in s, it will bring back hello in single quotes. If I ask it to print s, it will bring back hello without the quotation marks. So just keep that in mind. I can also ask Python to tell me what the first character in s is. So I can tell it print s and give me the first character in s, and it'll tell me the first character is e. That's odd because the first character in s is actually h, but it's giving me e. The reason being is Python actually counts starting with 0. So just to give you a better look, as you can see, 0 is h, 1 is e, 2 is l, so on and so forth. And you'll also see that Python will also count in negative numbers as well. So -5 and 0 will both be h. So just to prove it, print s of 0, h. I can also say print s of -5, and I will also get h. Okay, so, and we'll go further into details of why they count in negatives and why they start with zeros. But going forward for now, I can also ask Python to give me the length of s. So I can tell it print len, short for length, of s. And it'll tell me hello is 5 characters long. Great. I can also add another string to the value s by asking it to print s plus, in single quotes, my name, Gull. So now it'll tell me, hello, Gull. What I can't do is join a string with an integer. So what I mean by that is I can't join print s plus, I don't know, 7. It'll tell me cannot concatenate string and integer objects. Now there's two things I can do about this. The first thing is I can print s plus and put the 7 in single quotes, and that will change it into a string. So now I'll say hello 7. Or what I can do is define my name as 7. So name equals 7. And then I can do print s plus name. Oops, again, it's telling me can't join the string with an integer. That's because name is actually an integer. So what I can do is print s plus, and I can change name to a string by adding str and putting name in the brackets. So now it's saying hello 7. Now it works. Great. Another common string method is to use the lower and uppercase function. So I can say s dot upper, and that'll give me the value of s in all upper cases. Or I can say s dot lower and all lower cases. Another thing you can do is you can find values within the string. So I can say s dot find, oops, O. Great, it's telling me O does exist and it is at the 4th character. Okay, so just keep in mind though, it will only give you the first instance of the character that you're trying to find, and if the character that you're trying to find is not there, then it will give you a value of -1. I can also do starts with, so I can do s dot starts with h. Since I know hello starts with h, I'm going to ask it to tell me if h is actually there. Oops. S dot starts with, misspelled it. Oops. And you'll see that s that starts with h actually gives me false. It's telling me that h does not exist in hello. Kind of odd. But the reason being is because Python is actually case sensitive. So I would have to do s that starts with h, uppercase h, And now it's saying, okay, that is true. I can also do endswith O. And it'll tell me O is the last character. Great. You can also use a replace string method. So I can say s.replace, and the way it works is you type in the old value, comma, the new value in single quotes. So let's say I want to change, I don't know, the H to the new value of Y. Now it's telling me yellow. Okay, so this concludes the lesson for basic string methods in Python, and stay tuned for the next lesson.